Hello everyone. This video is about a hair dryer that I got a while back for my daughters. It is a combination hair dryer slash volumizer, and it works really great. It's a next gen sort of thing, and it's also available on Amazon, which is where it was purchased. But Amazon issued a recall on it, and their reason for doing so was because it failed to pass water immersion standards. Now, I'm no genius, but common knowledge tells me that you shouldn't dunk a hairdryer in underwater. Bathtub, for example, full of water, probably don't drop it in there. I have the instruction manual here, and as you can see, it comes with its own safety instructions that it's not waterproof, go figure, and not to use it in a damp environment. Here. So, that being said, product recalls can be legitimate. Is this product still safe to use? Well, I'm going to conduct a scientific experiment to find out if it's true or not. Now, it does have an air inlet that I'm assuming if you're working in a damp environment, water goes into an electric motor, what's gonna happen? Buoy. Right, I think we get it. What I'm gonna simulate is when you are drying your wet hair, if you're at a risk for electric shock or not. And if nothing happens and it does what it's supposed to do, I think we can scientifically prove that this device is perfectly safe to use as long as you're using it properly. And here we go. I'm turning the device on, and I have a spray bottle just in case it fails and there's an electrical shock risk here. Okay, the device is on. Oh, yep, water is getting on the device. Nothing's happening. Oh my gosh! Nothing happened. I guess this thing is still pretty safe to use. Again, as long as you're using it properly. Thanks everyone. Oh, and by the way, I'll put the product description from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description of this video so that you can all see it for exactly what it is and make your own decisions wisely. Thank you.